What's up, guys? My name is Henry from GI Technologies and Welcome Engineering. We are inside Obuasi now. We are coming to fix gate motor for this gate. We are here with the full team as usual. It's going to take us like 4 hours to complete this job. We want to allow the customer to be able to use both the remote and then the indoor unit to be able to operate his gate. And then also in the future we will integrate it to the intercom so that the client can operate his gate wherever he is in the world. Guys, if you have any project, make sure you give us a call. We are in Accra, Kumasi, Tamale, and everywhere. Today we are in Obuasi. Tomorrow we are going to be in Accra. Guys, make sure you give us a call. Let me show you the final way. Yeah, so we are checking the gates. We want to be sure that the gate is straight, and then we are working on it a little bit. No, it'll be like if we come here small, like if we come this side small, like it's supposed to go like this. Be like here like this. Here but it's going to go towards the right a little bit. So we want to be sure that the gauge is level, so we are working on it before we fix the motor. Guys, so the gate is now cool, it's straight and it's clean. Now we're about to do the automation. So now it's very smooth. And it's actually ready for automation, so it's about to go down. We're going to fix our smart motor here, and I'm very excited to show you the final way. What's up, guys? It's your Henry again from GI Technologies. So we are done with the gate motor finally inside of Obuasi, and we did some corrections. We did some very nice clean up on the gate because the gate initially wasn't really qualified for automation. So we took our time to ensure that the gate meets the requirements of the manufacturer. So now everything is clean and it's neat and it's very smooth now. So as you can see, the gate is moving very clean. Now, if I want to open for the pedestrian, all I need to do is just press the remote, it opens for the pedestrian, and I wouldn't have to trigger the remote. Gate goes by itself. If you have any project for us, make sure you give us a call. We are in Accra, Kumasi. Now we are everywhere in Ghana. We are in Obuasi right now. Call us now.